To your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing, we have some foggy and cloudy conditions across the region, as well as some chilly temperatures, with the ocean temperatures this morning in the mid-30s. Our surface temperature here at Wallops at 37 degrees, so a bit cooler than we expected due to those ocean temperatures, still well into the 30s. Going to see a good chance of rainfall once we move into the afternoon hours today, with rain becoming likely. Some of that could be moderate to heavy at times during the late afternoon and the evening hours, as we'll have a warm front moving over the area and an area low pressure tracking along that boundary. They'll be slowly drifting through the region, and that's going to give us a surge of some moisture, as well as a better chance of seeing some moderate to possibly heavier rainfall for later this late afternoon and the evening hours. I mentioned a very slight chance of a thunderstorm with that system moving through, so about a 10% chance, so most likely won't see that, but those chances of rainfall look to be near 100% today. So we'll see some good chances of rainfall, as well as some beneficial rainfall, and could be seeing rainfall between about half to an inch of rain in total for today into the early overnight hours tonight. Taking a look at our current observation, we have an overcast deck at 200 feet, quarter-mile visibility with fog, winds out of the northeast at 14 knots, temperature at 37 degrees, and relative humidity at 100%. And taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have lots of low clouds along the coastline, as well as some mid-level cloudiness building overhead in association with a short wave or disturbance moving towards the region, and that's going to give us our rainfall chances this afternoon. And we'll see these low clouds across the area, as well as that onshore flow today increasing later today, and also giving us a chance of a wind advisory with that onshore flow, with that area low pressure tracking through the region for later today. And taking a look at our current surface analysis, as well as observation page and radar imagery, you can see that stationary boundary / cold front that's going to be moving south of the region for today, and then moving back to the region as a warm front tonight. That's going to give us our chances of rainfall, as we have some moisture moving in from the southwest, and we'll move over that boundary for today. We see fog and mist across the peninsula this morning, and those slightly breezy to breezy northeasterly winds. Taking a look at the HRRR model for the day, you can see that rainfall starts to move into the region right around 11 to 12 o'clock this morning, and then continuing with rainfall throughout the afternoon hours into the evening hours. And you can see here right around 8 to 9 o'clock, we'll have an area low pressure tracking across the tidewater, and that's going to give us our best chance of seeing that possibly moderate to heavy rainfall briefly across the area, as well as some stronger onshore flow. So an active weather day across the region, fairly unsettled, and then overnight we'll continue to see chances of showers move through with this warm front moving north of the region. So taking a look at a risk chart for today, we'll see chance of precipitation throughout the whole entire next 24 hours, as well as best chances of rainfall come between noon and midnight with red conditions. Our winds will also pick up during that time period with a gust of 25 knots, sustained 12 to 17 knots out of the northeast. And we'll see ceilings right around 500 feet this afternoon, so continue with an orange condition, red this morning with the fog, and as well we'll see those orange conditions for our winds today with those gusts of 25 knots. Very slight chance of a embedded thunderstorm later today, with this area low pressure tracking just off to our south, so can't rule that out. But as I mentioned, only about a 10% chance of seeing that thunderstorm, so most likely won't see it. Highs today only in the lower to mid 40s, as we'll be stuck in the northeasterly wind regime, as well as those ocean waters still in the mid upper 30s. That's not going to allow us to get very warm today. Once we see a wind shift more out of the east to possibly southeast tomorrow morning, we'll see those temperatures start to rise into the mid to upper 40s. Our terminal forecast will see low clouds across the region throughout the day today, so seeing those ceilings between about 300 to 500 feet throughout the day today. Possibly seeing a brief break this morning with the low clouds in and out of the area, but that looks unlikely at this time, as we are currently socked in with the fog. Our tides are running about half a foot to 1 foot above normal at this time. And looking at Friday and Saturday, improving conditions after Friday morning. So Friday, overcast, a chance of rain showers through early afternoon, becoming partly cloudy and mild by late afternoon. A very slight chance of embedded thunderstorm when this cold front moves through during the late morning hours on Friday. A high of 58 degrees. Precipitation chances here at a 60%. Our ceilings looks like we'll continue to see those low ceilings in the morning. And as well, during the evening hours on Friday, we could see a quick surge of some southwesterly flow ahead of another secondary cold front that moves through, so an yellow for our winds. Friday night, mostly clear to partly cloudy and slightly breezy early, low of 41. And for Saturday, partly to mostly cloudy, a high of 53 degrees. Green chart across the board for Saturday, so it looks like a nice day for Saturday at this time. We do have a very slight chance of another disturbance impacting the region for Saturday afternoon, but right now it'll be well south of the region, keeping us dry and a nice day or a pleasant day for the first half of the weekend. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back at 10 o'clock, looking at 7 days.